Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl V. I'm back with another video. It's a hair video on this trendy hairstyle, this trendy protective style passion twist. If you're new to my channel and you haven't figured out if you like me enough yet, I hope you decide to subscribe. And if you want to know how to do the passion twist, then go ahead and keep watching. For hair, I'm going to be using the Nola Tress Janet collection. I have 1B, 2 packs of 1B, and a pack of 1. So I have 3 total, and I only use 2 packs in this tutorial. I am going to start off with this large section of hair that I left out to show you guys how I basically do the passion twist. I'm going to be using the She Is Bomb edge control, and this edge control really is bomb. When I tell you, I have not had an edge control that 1 slicks my hair down, 2 does not get crusty, or 3 does not flake up. This is the first time I've ever come across such a good edge control, and you're probably gonna need like 1 can of this to do your entire head. Now I kind of got a little carried away. I do have a decent amount left of this edge control, but just so you know, you may end up using half the can or probably leaving 1/4 of the can left. And I'm gonna tell you, it's really worth the coin. If you really want to get it, go and get it. I'll link the information to the edge control down in the description box for you. So as you're watching me here, I'm just sectioning my hair into little sections. So what you want to do is section like your hair into little sections and make little ponytails. I am using the rubber band method, so I am parting and then applying the edge control, and then I am going ahead and doing a rubber band around it, and the rubber band basically secures the hair and holds the piece in place. So now I have all the sections done, and I'm going to start to use a crochet hook and some of the hair, and I'm going to start to basically crochet it into my real hair. So I have a strand of the hair in my hand right now, the passion twist hair, and what I like to do is separate it, and I separate it into 2, and then what I do is I just wrap it around a crochet hook, and then you want to pull it through underneath the rubber band, and then you're going to separate that loop right there that you see in my hand. You're going to grab one of the twists that's hanging, okay? Once you grab that twist that's hanging, you're going to take it into the loop. I like to measure it too to make sure they're even or equally in length, and you're going to take it through the loop, and then you're going to make a knot, and you're going to tie it really tight. Once you're done tying it really tight, you're going to separate your real hair, and then you're going to grab the twist and you're going to pull even tighter. Once you're done doing that, you want to take some of the edge control. As you can see, like I'm almost done with it. Put it on your fingers, and then you're going to basically start twisting your hair and applying that edge control onto your natural hair, and then you twist tightly. The reason why you want to apply the edge control while you're twisting the hair is so that it can lock the hair into place with the twist. And when you're twisting, you want to twist, and you want to make sure that twist is extremely tight. If the twist isn't extremely tight, then it's going to come loose before you finish, or when you even get to the bottom, it's going to come unravel, and then you're going to have to start it all the way over. So just continue to twist it extremely tight, and once you're done twisting and you pass your hair, just to make the twist go a little bit more faster, you want to start wrapping the hair as if you're doing like a faux lock. And so as you're going to see me, I'm going to basically reposition my fingers, and I'm going to start wrapping that hair and making sure I secure it and wrap it even tighter. Once I get down to the bottom from wrapping the hair around the other piece of the hair and doing this twist method, then I'm going to take a curling rod and I'm going to apply that to the bottom, unravel, let the twist unravel naturally, and then once it starts to unravel naturally, then I release it, and then it'll basically just unravel on its own and loosen up. So as you see here, I'm letting it unravel a little bit naturally, and then once I am done letting it unravel, Then I'm going to take the rod and I'm going to place it around the tips and make curls. Now with this hair, it does come already naturally like curly, so you can already like crochet your hair. If you crochet your hair in, then you don't have to like go and do the rubber band method, or you don't have to separate your hair and do sections like that. You can just French braid your hair down to your scalp, and then you can just crochet it into your hair like that, and then it has the curl at the end just as I described. So I know you may have some questions about the actual hair itself. This hair is extremely soft and it feels really spongy. It feels very, very natural. It doesn't even feel synthetic. Like, it's crazy, beyond crazy. So with this hair, there's about 15 crochet passion twists that come in each pack, and the length that I had was 24, which when I started doing my hair, I was trying to figure out why it was so long because I thought it was 18. But besides that point, there's about 15 different strands of passion twist in it, and so I basically separated each strand, and that is how I knew how many like squares were in my head. So I used 2 packs, separated each strand, and there's 15 each, which means there's about 60 squares in my head right now. So that's how you can really like distribute and figure out like how you want to proportion your hair or proportion your squares and make sure that you have enough hair to go around. So I have a lot of hair in my head actually, and it doesn't even feel that heavy. This hair is so nice, and I just really like it, and I recommend it for all beginners if this is your first time doing the passion twist, or if you're not even a beginner and you just probably don't like the hair that you're using and you're a hairstylist and you do it for your clients and things like that, you can start using this brand. This brand is really nice. I think you'll fall in love with it. When I went in the beauty supply store, like, this brand was sold out, and in South Florida, like, I guess protective hairstyles is like extremely popular. It's in the culture down here. So I mean, girl, if you want to stock up, you might as well stock up because there's a hair shortage, especially on this particular brand. I'm gonna let you guys watch me do my twist, and I will come back after it is styled and accessorized and we looking cute. Alright guys, this is the final look on today's video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to do the passion twist using the rubber band method. As I mentioned before, I will have all of the products that I use down below in the description box. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone!